Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of online jobs, specifically 5 authentic opportunities that can help you earn money from the comfort of your home. Let's get started. First up, freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to offer your skills, whether it's writing, graphic design, or programming. You can set your rates and choose projects that interest you. It's flexible and can be quite lucrative if you build a solid portfolio. Next, we have online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, sites like Chegg and tutor.com connect you with students who need help. You can set your own hours and rates, making it a great option for students or anyone with teaching experience. Number 3 is becoming a virtual assistant. Many businesses need help with administrative tasks, social media management, or customer service. Websites like Belay and Time, etc. are excellent places to find such opportunities. It's a growing field and can lead to long-term contracts. Fourth, consider content creation. If you love making videos, writing blogs, or creating podcasts, you can monetize your content through platforms like YouTube or Medium. It takes time to grow your audience, but with persistence, it can turn into a significant income source. Finally, online surveys and market research. Websites like Junkie and Swagbucks pay you to share your opinion. While it won't make you rich, it's an easy way to earn some extra cash during your free time. There you have it, 5 authentic online jobs you can start today. Make sure to do your research and find what fits you best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great content.